G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be our 8th video in our ArcGIS Enterprise deployment series. So if you've reached this video for the first time and all you want to do is just learn how to do the federation process, that's all good. But I would probably advise have a look at the playlist because it's been a really long journey getting to this point, doing our ArcGIS Enterprise deployment. So far we have ArcGIS Server running, we've got ArcGIS Portal running completely, and we've attached our data store to Server as well. But in this video what we're going to do is we're going to federate Server and Portal together so that they work as one sort of platform together. And we're going to access, so ArcGIS Server just sort of works as your back end for your Portal front end, if you want to think of it as a full platform. And then you've got data store as the sort of one way to host data into that full stack application, right? Later on we will be putting SDE into it, but this is going to be a big step. So we're going to federate Server and Portal, so let's get straight in. All right, so we have a look at what we've got set up so far. We've got a couple of virtual machines going, so let's just go to virtual machines. We've got the ArcGIS Server here running in Azure, ArcGIS Portal running, and then ArcGIS Data Store, which is connected to ArcGIS Server. If I go up here, this is ArcGIS Portal, that's running, no worries, we'll just sign into this. And while that's signing in, we'll just have a quick look. So we've got ArcGIS Server running over here as well. It's all running through SSL, through our web adapter on both. To do the federation, it's actually going to be a pretty quick step. All we got to do is go into ArcGIS Portal settings and then point it to ArcGIS Server and hit the go button, and hopefully it all works if we've done everything correctly. So, all right, so back in ArcGIS Portal over here, we're going to go into organization and then settings. And then we'll go down here, go to servers, and we're going to go add server. And then the URL for the server. So our server URL is this one. We'll probably go like that. And then the administrator URL is going to be, so this is your server name, and then just 6443. And then your administrator login password for the server. So I'll put that one in. All right, so it should be looking like this. And we'll go next. So if we've done everything correctly here, ArcGIS Enterprise will go do its thing and hopefully they'll be federated. All right, and then after a moment, we're automatically taken to the configure server role. So if we've done everything correctly, we should have this hosting server option that we can tick on. All right, so tick that one as the hosting server, and what that does is it allows our users for ArcGIS Portal to publish things through Portal, and Portal will go and take that straight into ArcGIS Server. So let's go hit save server role here. Obviously, if you installed anything else on server, like you have anything else running off of server, like your raster analytics or your notebook server, all that sort of stuff, this is where you can turn that on as well. All right, and then we'll just let this configure, and we'll cut back once this is finished configuring. Okay, awesome. So after it's finished configuring and we've done everything correct, we should get taken to this screen now with the confirmation that we've got a green tick on our ArcGIS Server connection from ArcGIS Portal, and we're all federated and ready to go. So that's pretty much it. Quick video for this one, but I think what we'll do now is we'll just quickly go and test it and make sure that hosting feature services are working and Portal is able to communicate properly to ArcGIS Server. So let's just check it now. All right, so to check it, what we want to do is go up to content, and we're going to go and create some, we're going to go upload some data and see if it'll host in from ArcGIS Server. So what you can do, if you have a shapefile, you just go to new item and then upload the shapefile. So I'm just going to go create one from very quickly. Like you could go to ArcGIS Pro or something, just create a shapefile, QGIS, whatever you normally want to use. I'm going to use my website. It's called GeoFlip. It's actually the first time I'm mentioning it here, but have a look at geoflip.io where we can really quickly and easily make shapefiles. All right, so very easily, I'm just going to go to Western Australia, where I'm from. We'll go draw a couple of polygons here, and then we're going to go to output, and we're just going to put it in 4326 and then export. All right, so we'll hit download there, and there's our shapefile. So I'll just show you what it looks like, just so if you're looking at your shapefile. So inside that zip file is just all the shapefile files. So at minimum, you're going to need these 4, and then you just want to zip them up so that ArcGIS can handle it. So just have all those shapefiles zipped up into a single zip file. Then we go back to Portal, go to your device, and we need to look at downloads. Go grab that file. Go open. All right, and recognize it as a shapefile. We're going to go and choose to have it as a hosted feature layer because we can now. We've got ArcGIS Server. So we're just going to go test shape test hosted feature layer, and we'll hit next on that. Save. Alright, and once it's finished creating service, we can go have a look at it. So open in Map Viewer. And there we are. So it looks like everything's working. The only other thing we want to check, so just go back. Let me just go back to that page. And if we look at the source, we can see this is our ArcGIS server now, and it's gone and created it in the default hosted folder within the services. And we can see this is the layer inside this particular feature service. We go into it. You can see this is the actual feature service here. So with all your standard things all ready to go in ArcGIS Server. And that brings us pretty much to the end of our main deployment, guys. So we've now got ArcGIS Server running, ArcGIS Portal, we've connected to the data store, and we've federated them all together. The only other thing that we're going to do in the next video is we're going to install ArcGIS Enterprise Geodatabase, or ArcSDE is what it used to be called. Going to set that up, get that all running, connect it to ArcGIS Server as another data store, and then we're going to test it through the platform from Portal server to the database. So stick around for the next one, guys. We'll get that done, and I think that will finish our ArcGIS Enterprise based deployment. So I'll see you in that one. Cheers.